welcome to Gardening with Friends. As today's project, we're gonna plant soundproof hedge to shield these AC units. We decided to go with Arborvitae emerald green. The biological name of this conifer is Tuja occidentalis. It's native to US and Canada. It's also called Arborvitae, meaning arbor tree, vita life. This particular variety was selected from the seedling in Denmark in the 1950s. It has beautiful emerald color, and in English it's called emerald green, and in Danish Smaragd, if I pronounce it correctly, which means emerald. As always, there are some small obstacles on the way. You can see we have a couple of bushes here, and we would need to remove it because this one is shielding one of the AC units, and we would like to have soundproof hedge. Let's get to work. Okay, one is down, that was very, and one more to go. This is actually much bigger, but we really do need to remove it because otherwise it's not going to be a full hedge and it's not going to have soundproofing we want to achieve. Today we have a couple of spectators who are really excited about our project. This is how we envision the hedge. They're a little small now, but hopefully they'll grow and be able to cover all AC units and create sound barrier. And we space them approximately 26 inches apart. They take really nicely pruning, so if we want to, potentially we can even create like real green, emerald green wall. And you can see that these are small, but hopefully they'll grow. And the whole idea that it's going to be much easier to put them in the ground, hopefully. So we have 10 of these plants, and we'll start planting them now. You guys can see we have a beautiful hydrangea tree here. Well, it used to be beautiful, but it suffered a lot because it was moved around. And now we feel like we're not going to touch it and see how it does maybe by the spring. And if it's gonna do well, we potentially can move it to a different location. But for now, we'll keep it. There's all rocks in here, so actually I'm really glad we got smaller size pots for this. Hey guys, we got the holes done and we're about to start planting. You see how many rocks form in this soil, but luckily for us, this plant can pretty much take any soil. And also we're gonna use tree and shrub garden soil to add it to the hole, mix it a little bit with native full of rock soil so they can hopefully get a good start. And also I would like to introduce the owners of this place.
Hey everyone, I'm Hayden. So yeah, we're very excited to be planting these hedges today. We've got them half off, which is fantastic, so can't wait to get them in the ground.
Yay! And Hayden is gonna watch to make sure they're all nicely lined up and creating perfect line. And Marcus, of course, is always here to inspect. Well, look, I think he's pretty comfortable in the hole with dug for planting. Well done here. I think it looks pretty nice. I really like the hedge. Let's ask Hayden if he likes it.
I think it looks fantastic. Yeah, very, very pleased with it.
Happy gardening!
After all, we decided to move hydrangea tree and found a really nice spot for it. Hopefully it will survive.